Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create your own wallpaper for your desktop in Canva. It's gonna be a very simple one, just some basics. So where we want to go after we logged in into our Canva account, we want to go to the top right corner for create a design. And we're gonna pick from all these options desktop wallpaper. As you can see, after a few moments of loading, there's this blank space where our wallpaper will be. We can try and go for some already made desktop wallpapers. For example, this one. We can tweak it as we want. We can completely delete those. We can delete the text. We can add our own text in this text button. Let's go with something like this, glow. You can also always center it, tweak it as you like. You can change it to, I don't know, hello. It's completely up to you. You can change the font, you can change the height, and also it can glow in multiple colors. As we did that, we can also, in this more option, we can add emojis, like, for example, Santa Claus. It's very good if you're making a wallpaper for kids and you want to spook them a bit. Let's say very happy Santa. And that's not all. We can actually upload our own image. Ooh, there's a lot of layers in here. As you can see, there's a very complex one. Let me delete all those. We can also link our Instagram profile. It's very basic. You can just log in and pick the photo you've already created and upload it on your Instagram. For example, like this one. Also, you can add text. You can add whatever, but the format isn't very good on those Instagram photos. So you have to play with them a bit. And also, as always, we can upload our own image. And yeah, let's delete this one. So if you already deleted some image that you like and you want to you want to transform it into your wallpaper, just drag it in here. There's maybe a little error, but let's ignore that. And as you can see, this image is already here. Be careful, because you really want to use a very quality high picture. And yet again, you can go with a text, hugs and kisses, for example. Yeah, that's a big one. And so on. Yeah, that's it. And let's say this is the final thing that you want. Like you want to use it or you want to send it to your friends. Go to the upper right corner and press download. You can pick PNG or JPEG format. PNG is suggested, so let's go like that. You can also animate it and so on, that it will just pop up like this. Let's go for download and let's download it. No, not yet. Nice try. So you want to open it, and as you can see, there is already the wallpaper ready to be used. Hopefully yours will be much nicer. Well, that's about it, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.